Hi everyone, welcome back to Warthog Defense. I'm Seth. While both sides in the Ukrainian conflict are suffering heavy losses, all assessments from NATO, the Pentagon or British intelligence indicate that the kill ratio favors the Ukrainians, estimated at 1 to 5 or 1 to 6. Now, British intelligence suggests that Russian casualties are at all-time high, with nearly 1,000 soldiers lost in a single day.
British intelligence. Average daily losses of Russia in February are the highest since the beginning of the war. The increase in the daily average almost certainly reflects Russia's commitment to mass and attritional warfare. Although costly in terms of human life, the resulting effect has increased the pressure on Ukraine's positions across the front line. On average, the Russians lose 983 soldiers a day, and British intelligence also says that 355,000 Russian soldiers are killed or wounded in Ukraine. Previous U.S. intelligence estimate was 315,000. In 2 years of conflict, Russian losses match and in many cases surpass those that comprised its original force. Russia confirmed the death of the deputy commander of the 155th Separate Marine Brigade, Lieutenant Colonel Roman Kozhukov. A strike was carried out in Olenivka with 2 HIMARS projectiles, as a result of which 19 Russian servicemen were killed and another 12 were injured. Ukrainian Stratcom confirmed it has attacked a Russian troop gathering in occupied Olenivka, Donetsk region. The shootout between FSB Spetsnaz and local resistance in the Russian Republic of Ingushetia went on from early in the night through the morning. Might have been close to 12 hours. In the end, the Russians bombed the apartments, probably with RPGs, and claim 5 bodies are under rubble. No info on the 6th. After several Russian planes that are shot down in February, for the first time since the war started in February 24, 2022, the sky in East Ukraine is clear of fighter jets, says the commander of Ukraine's Air Force. Several explosions are being reported at the Crimean port city of Feodosia. Overnight, occupied Crimea was attacked by 38 drones. In Feodosia, loud explosions were heard. The Russian Ministry of Defense reports, as usual, that all drones were shot down. Reported as the center of Novomikhailivka, Russians installed a RAG. This comes after recent advances in both the southern and eastern outskirts. Needs further confirmation and geolocation.
Морской пехоты выполнили, лично его флаг повесили. Все. Морская пехота работает. Дом, смотри. А? Я знаю.
Unit Shadow, within the 47th Brigade, destroyed an abandoned Russian tank. Don't leave those hatches open. Ukrainian Su-27M launching an AGM-88 HARM anti-radar missile. Near Bilohorivka, a Russian mechanized column was defeated by units of the 81st Air Mobile Brigade. Shchevern, west of Avdiivka, a Ukrainian FPV munition hits a Russian tank pileup, destroying a T-90M and T-80 BVM. Zelensky's evening speech. This week alone, we managed to shoot down 7 Russian military aircraft, the very ones that dropped these bombs and killed. Since the beginning of February, Russia has lost 15 military aircraft. This is the right dynamics of their losses. And the more we are able to shoot down Russian aircraft, the further we destroy Russian logistics on our occupied territory, the more Ukrainian lives will be saved. This war must become hopeless for Russia, for the terrorists. And they should feel as much as possible that there is a force that destroys those who want to destroy lives. We are able to ensure this. Each partner knows what is needed. The main thing is the political will to implement everything, to provide exactly the level of supply that will help. If this does not happen, it will be one of the most shameful pages of history. If America or Europe lose to the Iranian Shahed or Russian fighters. Russian evil should not be encouraged by weak decisions, delays in deliveries, or indecision. Our joint successes should be tangible to everyone in the world who values life.
Прийшов додому до інших народів. Потрібно реагувати на дії Росії усім лідерам, усім міжнародним організаціям.
Well, we are keeping an eye on those Russian losses and sure the Ukrainian ones. Stay with Warthog Defense, comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.